Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I have hiring updates for you people. So first hiring is from the Barclays. They are hiring for the software engineer for the location of Pune. Okay, and in this job description they haven't mentioned any qualification and all. So they have just mentioned the skill set what they required. Okay, so the thing they have mentioned is like skills: Salesforce, Service Cloud, Force.com customization, JavaScript, Visual Force, JavaScript, and advanced Apex things. Okay, and integration and SOAP REST bulk API, Apex callouts, and knowledge structure chain environment and banking financial services with a fintech. Okay, and Salesforce developer certification all preferred. And if you have this all this skill set, you can apply for this role. Okay, I guess this is for the experienced candidates can apply for this role. Okay, so I will be providing this link in the description. If you are familiar and if you have the skills, okay, you can go and hit the apply button. Okay, and moving towards the next thing, entity data is hiring for technical graduate trainee. Okay, for Uttar Pradesh, Noida. So they are hiring for full time. That is, training period will be 3 months. Training stipend is 18K, and the CTC will be 3.2 LP. Year of passing is like 20-25 people can apply. The education they have preferred is BE BTech in any stream. Okay, yeah, the work from office is mandatory, and the required skills they have mentioned is networking concepts. Okay, if you have networking concepts, Cisco networking devices concept knowledge, and understanding in network security fundamentals, good analytical and problem skills. Okay, and communication and teamwork ability, you can apply for this job role. Okay, freshers can apply. Please hit the apply button. I will be providing the link in the description. So the next hiring is from the L&T company. They are hiring for Gen AI trainee. Their required experience is 0 to 2. Like experience, people can also apply, and freshers can also apply. Okay, knowledge should be in the machine learning, computer vision, and artificial intelligence. Bachelors of Technology, BTech, and MTech people can apply. Okay, so roles and responsibility they have mentioned over here, and yeah, if you have a knowledge in AIML, you can hit the apply button. I will be putting the link in the description. Okay, and the next thing is from the Flipkart. Business analyst is the role over here. And if you have all this knowledge like Tableau, Python, SQL, and Power BI, okay, e-commerce testing and all, ARB testing and all kind of things, then PySpark and all things, you can click this button and there will be a form getting opened over there. You can apply. Okay, you can fill the form and you can apply for this job role. I will be providing this LinkedIn profile in the description. You can check it out. Last hiring update is from Accenture AML Computational Science Associate. Okay, this is also a full-time experience is like 0 to 2 years, and the qualification is BE BTech MCA AML Computer Science Associates is the, if you have AML knowledge you can apply for this job role. Okay, experienced people can also apply. Freshers can also be applied. Reading the link, job link in description. Okay, so at last please subscribe to our channel Chenzitech for the latest hiring updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.